Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in the series of our month stack, today we are starting our JavaScript. So, first we're gonna learn how you can implement JavaScript into your HTML. So, there are three ways you can do it. One is inline, second one is embedded, and third one is external. So, we're gonna learn one by one all this. So, let's learn first inline. So, just open your VS Code, right? So just get your basic HTML structure, and for the inline, let's say we wanna you wanna print something on your page, like you wanna make a print icon on your web page. Let's see S3. Let's say your invoice, and we will take a button, and we can say print invoice. Okay, so let's okay, so this is how it is showing right now. You can see here, you have a your heading tag your invoice, and you have a print button. Right now it's not doing anything. So to make it work, we have to apply JavaScript events. So there's one of the events called on click. In later on in this series, you're gonna learn so many events. So today you're gonna learn on click. So what you gonna call it? We have a predefined function in Windows. So first we give the name of the like parent window, and what the function we gonna implement in this HTML button. We give the dot, and we give print, and we just parenthesis. Okay. So now let me reduce the size a little bit so you can see. So first we have to do write windows dot print and parenthesis. So now if you open that one, if you click this print invoice, it's gonna open the print settings on you from your browser. So then you can print. This is how you apply JavaScript function directly into HTML document. So next we need to learn how you can apply JavaScript function embedded. So JavaScript function are embedded into page by using script container. You can embed JavaScript into head or body section. So let's see how you can apply it. So in head section, you just write script, and you give type text forward slash write JavaScript. And in when you apply JavaScript embedded inside of head tag, this is highly recommended you use strict mode. So you just write use strict. What it does is it will strict all the developer to follow all the guidelines when they write any application. So must follow all the rule and regulation of JavaScript. So all right. So now we are in our script. So we can remove this print function from here. So we can write our function now in our script tag. So we just give a function. We give the function name like print page, and parenthesis curly braces. So it is like a CSS code you give when you just select and you give multiple like a function like background color. So same thing, we write multiple code inside of this curly braces. So see now what we want to do is we on click we want to call this function to print the page. So browser, all the browser engine has a window as a parent, so we call that window and we write what function of window you like to call. We call it print. So parenthesis, that's it. So on click, when user click on button print invoice, we want to call this function print page. So we simply gonna write print page. Yeah. So okay, when user click on print invoice, so on click we gonna call this print page function right here. So let's see how it is showing. So now the same thing, let me increase the size. Same thing when you click on this print function, same functionality. So with the same code you can implement this print page in any element of your HTML. So for the reusability wise, this is how you're gonna use it. Okay, next, so how you can implement JavaScript function in external file. To do that, you have to simply make a separate file for your JavaScript. So let's okay. So normally we put our most of the like external files in source folder like src folder. So I right click on this and make a new file, and I give the name invoice.js. Okay, in this invoice file we simply write our function. So we give the function name function, we say it print page, and then curly braces, and we write inside of the curly braces we write same command windows dot print. That's it. Save it, and now go back to your file html, and now you just have to, you don't need to write this function inside of it anymore. So simply gonna give the link to this. So how you gonna link it? Simply inside of script you give the source and single dot for current directory, double dot for the previous directory, backslash. So we have that file in src folder invoice.js. So now you have link your file. Okay, now see, refresh it, the same functionality. So this is how you implement your JavaScript function into the HTML document. So next we have to know one concept called uh, when some browser have a functionality that you can disable JavaScript. Like if you go to settings of any browser and we just type in like JavaScript, and you will see JavaScript site can use. So you can disable it, don't allow, like that. So whatever you written in JavaScript that won't gonna be working. So how you gonna know what website like browser has disabled JavaScript? So sometimes developer write a program using a tag called noscript. So how you can implement that? You simply type in a body tag like noscript. Inside of noscript we type please enable JavaScript on your browser. Okay, so now if and we go back, we type refresh it, it's gonna see you the please enable JavaScript on your browser. You see the button is not working. So this is how you get to know how which browser has disabled JavaScript. So you just put back again. Okay, in next video we're going to learn how you can access all the HTML element, all the technique that JavaScript has to access all the document of HTML. So be sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you really like my video, please do like them. And so if you have any question, concern, please leave in in the comment section. I will try to respond as quickly as possible. And please make sure you watch my video completely one time and then do the coding step by step like fun, or like in my VS code you can see I made like this in JavaScript inline one embedded external. So just create the file hierarchy like that. Okay, so you know if you in future if you wanna know one comes, you just go to that file and you do that way. I put this numbering just to know how, like, so you know what uh, just to make it easily what going to be next topic. So that's, but you're not supposed to give a file name starting with numbers, just for the understanding. So one topic comes after, so you know which topic's coming first. That's why I'm giving this number. But you just try to write the code. Watching me doing it, you're not gonna learn anything. You can understand the concept, but you're not gonna learn anything. Once when you have to write a code without watching the video, you will be completely blank. So please uh, write the code without watching my video one or two times, then you will grasp the concept exactly. This is how you should be doing, and you learn by doing. So just wait for my next video. I will try to upload the next video, I think tomorrow. So make sure you hit the bell icon on YouTube so you can get my notification. Thank you very much. So see you in the next. Thank you.